Got some gas put in it. We're gonna take off this air filter cover here, and looks like we got a mouse nest under the cover, and just gonna take some carb clean here and spray that in there. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Jason here, and just picked up two John Deere riding mowers. One's really a garden tractor, but I got an L120, and looks to be in really good shape. The paint's really good, the seat's decent. Got one crack right there, but nothing too bad. Got a 20 horsepower Briggs V-twin engine, hydrostatic trans, 48-inch deck. And don't know what the story is on it, but I have it, and we're about to see if it'll run. And then this is an X500 here. It's a garden tractor, 54-inch deck, I believe. Has a Kawasaki motor. It's got locking differential there, and yeah, so we just picked them up. But this one, it's going to need a head on it. Something's up with the valve there, and gonna have to put a head on it. It's going to need a hood. I got the rest of the hood back here in the truck, but it's pretty beat up, so it's going to need one. But I'm curious about this L120, but let's get a battery hooked up to it and see what'll happen. So I just went and grabbed the key and stuck that in there. The battery was dead, but I got another battery here, hooked that up to it, and we have hour meter. We got 255 on this. It does crank over, so that's good. Got oil in it. The carburetor solenoid's clicking, I hear that. Let's see if we got any gas. Smells a little rough, but it's pretty dry. A little something in the bottom, but we'll get some gas and dump that in here and see what happens. So I got some gas put in it. We're gonna take off this air filter cover here, and looks like we got a mouse nest under the cover, and just gonna take some carb clean here and spray that in there. Well, it does run. All this mouse nest is coming out. It smells terrible. You know what? Let's just go ahead and take this cover off. I'll show you how to do that. Get the mouse nest under it. For whatever reason, mouse nests are a real common problem on these motors. You put them out in the shed, and I don't know, they like to warm there or something after it's been running. And anyways, they build their nest under there. I don't know why, but well, I'll go ahead and take that off. It'll take a couple minutes, and it's just a 3/8. There's what, 2, 4, 6 bolts around this top cover here, and then there's 4 5/16 bolts right here to hold this screen on. We'll just pull this right off and get some of that cleaned out. All right, so I got all the bolts loosened up, and we'll pull this cover off, and oh yeah, there it is in all its glory. Yummy. Yeah, good stuff. Get a pair of pliers and get rid of some of that junk. Oh yeah. All that droppings right there. Good stuff. Yeah. Need an air hose out here to blow all this stuff out. good enough, hopefully. Hopefully it won't suck too much into the carb. See if it'll move. Well, the blades didn't come on and it didn't move, so we got some issues, but it did start up and run now. Well, I did get it to move now. I think it's just I need to warm up a little bit from sitting for a little while. Let's see if it moves fine. Well, does move. Still can't get the blades to come on. Not sure if the mouse chewed through the wires or something, or what the deal is there, but looks like it might have a little bit of an oil leak there. Have to do something about that, but overall a pretty decent mower. Very clean. There it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching.